And we're back to learning Photoshop in a year, day 46. Let me show you how I can crop images to a specific size. First we unlock it by clicking on the lock icon and I double click here to rename it. Then I press Ctrl J. I like to work on copies. We need the crop tool for that. C is the short key, and if you see a different tool here, just right click on this box and then select the crop tool. You can left click drag on these corners to resize that. Mine is already locked to a certain ratio because I've got that selected here. Yours should be completely empty if you've never used it. But if there is something, just click on clear right here and then everything is deleted and you can resize that manually so there is no locked ratio anymore. But if you want to have a specific size, for example a ratio, select it here and then type it in. Let's say, I don't know, 8 by 5. And is now locked. You can still resize it, but with an 8 are now resized in proportion to one another. Usual size, for example, for YouTube thumbnails and videos is 16 by 9. So let me pick that here. You can resize that and left click drag in the center to reposition it. There are more inbuilt default ones. The second one is interesting. It's W and H, so width and height. Resolution, so you can type that in pixels, for example it's 800 times 500. This gives you the perfect size, so 800 times 500, but you can still resize it and this will be resized based on that ratio of 8 by 5. You can also flip that, so make width the height and height the width. So if you need a specific size, type that in right here in this box and use the width and height resolution option in the drop down. Let me just use a 16 by 9. I reposition that a little bit. Maybe up to here. And once you've got what you want to have, you can press enter or simply click on this check mark right here. The changes will be applied. On this I can crop an image to specific sizes in Photoshop. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching and I'll see you next time.